Let me now welcome on board George Alexander Muthoot, the MD at Muthoot Finance, joining in right now. And let's talk about what happened in their Q2 fine print. George, hi, great to have you in ET now. The biggest talking point this quarter was actually your guidance, right? Because you've revised your gold loan growth guidance from 15% to now 25%. What's giving you this kind of confidence, given that the RBI has now lifted the ban, of course, on one of your competitors?
Thank you. The last two quarters was also good. Quarter one was good. Quarter two was also good. And we have already grown by 16%. So I thought it was, we felt it was reasonable that the year should end with around 25%. That is why we have given a guidance of 25%. This quarter also, things are looking good. One of the main reasons I feel is that the last 2-3 quarters, there has been a lot of cautions coming from RBI with regard to unsecured loans, all the fintech loans, unsecured personal loans, etc., by banks and finance NBFCs. So there has been a little sluggishness in the growth of the unsecured loans, both in the NBFC as well as in the banks. And customers definitely need money, and gold loan certainly has come back to them as a definitely a good option. I see this in parallel with what happened during the COVID time, when banks, everybody was reluctant to lend money on unsecured loans. That time also gold loan played a great part. And we felt that we were doing a good service to the community by making funding available. It's exactly the same thing which is happening now also. Consequently, our gold loan portfolio is also growing.
How much of your guidance is a function of pure uptick in gold prices? Because if gold prices go higher, the guidance number will also go higher?
No, because the guidance number mainly is based on the demand. The demand is there. That's what I said. The demand is there because unsecured loans are not easy for many people or for some people. Those without some good credit rating and those without salary, etc., unsecured loans become more difficult today. And that is a sector we are actually catering to. I think it's definitely a good service. Having said that, the price in the last 3-4 months or last 6 months has gone up by about 10-15%. It has helped to some extent, but people borrow only what they want. Just because the price has gone up, everybody does it. It's not a commodity. It is the ornaments which they are giving. So it's not a commodity on which you take maximum and leverage yourself. There are people who need more money. They definitely will be helpful. But more than that, the gold price definitely makes our collateral much stronger. Because today, our average LTV on the books we have lent is not even 75. It's only 68%. So on the total portfolio, only 68% is the loan outstanding. So it makes our product or our gold loan portfolio definitely stronger also.
Okay, morning. And you've also said that you've given more time to consumers to repay the gold loans instead of auctioning gold as a collateral. Can you tell us a little bit more about how this works? Is it a one-off? Are you going to do this every quarter? And how many such accounts are there where more time has been given?
See, when people get the loan is given for 1 year, and thereafter it is treated as an NPA after 90 days. So when it becomes an NPA auction, the option for us and the customer has not paid the interest or closed the loan, is for us to ask him to do it. And if he's not doing it, then go for auction. So in that way, we can have our NPA as zero. But you'll see our NPA has always been higher on the higher side. It was 3.2 2 quarters back. Then it became 3.98. Now it is 4.3. But all these accounts are 110% fully with principal and interest is fully secured with gold, which is literally a liquid collateral. See, customers come to our branch, they see the price also going up. They don't want to lose that ornament. So they come and request the branch, please give me 2 months time more, 3 months time more. And then we accede to the request. And because of that, the NPA percentage is going up. But we are in the money. But certainly we are helping them, and we are able to avoid an auction. So if we had not sold this, we would have had to auction maybe 4% of our portfolio. That's about 3,000 crores we would have had to auction. It's a pity. It's unfair to the customer. We'll have to refund money because the gold price has gone up. The money we get after auction is much higher than what is due from it. So we will refund the money. And it is a pity. Somebody's very valuable ornaments, which is a family's ornament, the wife's ornament, we are selling it. So that is the consideration we have. And probably we are a little slow on that. We carry this in our books. Many companies don't carry so much of NPA in our books. When we carry NPA, we don't recognize the interest, etc. It's a hit on our profit and loss for some time. But when it's closed, we get it. But finally, all these customers take back if they get 3, 4, 5, 6 months time. So all the NPAs which you see now, they all turn around by 6 months. A new set of NPA comes. It's not the old people. It's not an NPA which is coming there for the last 2, 3 years. No, they come when they get more time, they take it back. When another set of customers come, and we are able to accommodate them in the books. The depth of our balance sheet and profit and loss account can carry this as NPA, still report a good profit for the company.
So, what kind of guidance for your NPA, can you give us at this point in time?
No, I think it will be almost just 4%. Around it will be around the 4% only. We would now maybe persuade the customers more and more to pay the interest and renew the loan or take back the loan, etc. So we cannot go beyond this 4.5 or 5% because it will look very bad on our balance sheet. Although there is no loss, it will look very bad.
Right. I also want to understand what's happening within your microfinance business. Your profits in microfinance have actually gone down by 37%. There's been an AUM degrowth as well, and NPAs also have increased. What exactly is happening within the MFI business?
See, MFI, nothing special or particular or special for Muthoot's Belstar. It's the same which is happening to the microfinance industry. Actually, RBI has put some cautions on this, and the whole microfinance industry, last 2 quarters have not grown. We have also not grown. Last 2 quarters, it is actually flat. It's going flat only. So that is the impact you're seeing. The NPAs have also gone up. It was about 2.35%. Now it is 3.5%. So it is same for every microfinance. Microfinance industry, every 5-6 years go through such a phase. It's a phase in the business of microfinance. It goes after some time, maybe 2-3 quarters later, things will settle because people definitely need money, and this is a good way for putting purchasing power in the hands of people. So maybe we wait for 2-3 quarters more, and then when things go up, it will also go up. The business will go up, the profit will go up, the NPS will come down, the sector will grow. It is nothing, as again repeating, we are definitely a tad above many of the other microfinance. In NPAs, in profit, etc., we are definitely better off.
All right, gonna let you go on that note. Thank you so much for taking time out and joining.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.